In this video, you will watch my work session on one of the difficult variations of Bach's Chaconne for violin. If this video interests you and if you like my interpretation of this magnificent piece, I invite you to watch the playlist that I dedicated to this work. Let's go! Okay, the slow motion at the end of the sentence is missed. We'll see about that later because there are other issues to sort out first. Working with dotted rhythms is very effective. Trying to give more direction to my phrase, I broke the sound. I must therefore control better. Here I realized that I didn't memorize the phrase well enough. As the bass didn't sound good, I was distracted. I play the main notes of each group. The other notes must not disturb the articulation and the phrasing that I want to achieve. I make sure I know all the notes well so that I don't just memorize the fingerings and movements. I'm working with dotted rhythms again. Now I have to work on slowing down at the end of the sentence. I want it to be progressive and regular. I will now start from the beginning to see what the whole passage gives. As professional guitarists, we spend hours practicing, and we do it on very small passages because it's much more efficient. I encourage you to do the same without ever getting discouraged, because it is by making mistakes that we learn.